Today's lesson is on finding the fourth and final measure of center, which we call the median. The median is the middle, so we're trying to locate the direct center of listed data points, the number that is in the middle. Now, there are certain steps that you really should follow to get to this point, because if not, you could end up with the wrong measure of center. So the first thing, which is pretty important, is to list your numbers from least to greatest. We also did that when we were finding the mode, so it's multi-beneficial. Now, I also called least to greatest minimum to maximum, so either way works. The second step, now I call it 2A, because there is a 2B, believe it or not. So if you have an odd number of data points, you're going to find the number directly in the middle. So for example, let me show you. If I have this set of data, 10, 2, 7, I first would put them in order from least to 7, 10 to greatest. I have an odd number of data, so what's the number directly in the middle? 7. So my median is 7. There's one number on each side. So now what about 2B? What if I have an even number of data points? Well, I'm going to find the mean, but not just any mean. I need to find the mean of the two numbers in the center. Interesting. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here is some data. It's listed as 4, 5, 5, and 4. Well, the very first thing I need to do, of course, is to list my numbers from least to greatest. So 4, then the other 4, there's 5, and the other 5. Now, I need to look at the numbers that are in the center. So because there's 4 numbers, there is no direct middle. So where do I go? I go right here. Wait, find the mean of the two numbers in the center. So remember what it is to find mean. We add the two numbers, which ends up being 9, and we divide by how many numbers we added. So we'd have to divide by 2, and that ends up being 4 5/10, or 4 1/2. So my median is 4 5/10. Now I'm going to show you a couple more examples in our notes that we did today, because they give us a nice list of numbers that we need to use these tools for. So here I'm going to change things up. I'm going to go a little bit closer in, and we're going to take a look at this number 4. Now, there's a bunch of data sets, there's a data set that has data points, and it's for 2 weeks of snowfall. So I believe there's going to be 14 numbers. We can count that in the end, but what I'm going to do right now is list my numbers from least to greatest. That was the first step. So I see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. I have to write all 5 of those down. 3, 4, 5. Is there a 1? 1, 1. There's 2 1s. Is there a 2? Oh, wait, there's a 1 1/2. I can't forget that. Now, is there other ones? No. Is there a 2? Yes. 2 2s? Let's see, 2 1/2? Doesn't look like it. There is a 3 1/2 and a 3. I know how that goes. I'm going to make sure I see that decimal point. And then there's an 8 and a 6. Of course, 6 is less than 8. Now, I want to make sure that I have all my data points in order and I have the right number. So I'm going to count both sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so there are 14. Well, how do I find the middle with 14 numbers? Well, if I can divide 14 by 2, half of the numbers will be on one side of the middle and the other half will be on the other. So I need to count 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on this side, 7 on that side. Hey, it's an even number, so I said that we have to add these numbers. I'm going to put in a decimal and make sure that my place values are lined up. So 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. And then I have to divide by not 14, but 2, because I just added those 2 numbers. When I divide 2.5 by 2, I end up with 1 and 25/100. So there's the median for an even set of numbers. Okay. Oops, now I'm going to go over here. And now I have a new data set with about broken Girl Scout cookies, which I've never encountered. And I've encountered many Girl Scout cookies, but that's okay. So I'm going to list my data. So I'm going to start with 0, 1, 2, 2 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 2 twos. 2, 2, and 1, 3. Okay, so let's make sure that all my data is accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have to find the number directly in the center. Well, if I don't know how to find that number, one way to do it is to count from the outside to the inside, and whatever's left over is your number in the middle. If it's, remember, this is odd, so there's 9. So we have to find that number in the middle. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Hey, there's one number left. That's the number directly in the center. So the median is 1.